Hello, everybody. I hope you're having an amazing day. Anita here. Today, we're going to be talking about focusing your intent and how powerful it is. When you're wanting to manifest, you need to focus your intent and say, you know, dear universe, I focus my intent on helping people. I focus my intent on receiving abundance today. I focus my intent on manifesting my new house today. You want to do that, and you can do this in as little as 17 seconds. Just focus and imagine what you want to come into your existing life right now. Do you want a husband? Do you want a house, a car? Do you want a business that helps millions of people? Do you want to be a coach? Do you want better relationships with your family members? Whatever it is that you're wanting, focus on it for at least 17 seconds. More if you can. If you can go 60 seconds, go ahead. Start somewhere though, and focus in on what you want. Imagine that it's already there. Remember when we were kids and we could imagine anything, even mud pies became pancakes or something? Well, we need to tap into that and start doing that as adults. We're always creating. Now we're focusing on the law of attraction, which is attracting things into our lives, becoming the vibration that we need to become to bring things into our lives on purpose. This does not take that long. People think that it does, but remember, we are manifesting good and bad in our lives no matter what we do. So we might as well focus to keep it coming in positive and things that we want. We don't want to be arguing with our husband or wife or whatever. We want to bring peaceful relationships. We want to be peaceful ourselves. So if you have a problem in that area or a challenge, you might want to set your intent to receive peace, to be peaceful, to ground yourself, to go outside, take some deep, deep breaths, ground yourself, and tell God, tell the universe to set your intent to be peaceful and to attract more peace into your life. Finances, the same way. If you're overwhelmed with paying the bills and everything, set your intent to receive abundance today and to raise your vibration. Do things that make you happy, but visualize what you want as already it's there. What will it feel like? Focus on the feeling. What will it feel like if somebody came and gave you $1,000 just because they love you? That would be amazing. It would to me. Yesterday, I was able to focus, set my intent, focus on it, and I received $300 unexpectedly. You can do the same thing. Use this technique and keep doing your writings, your scriptive writings, your affirmations. Keep them all around the house to remind you. Our brains go all over the place if we don't control them, and we have to do it on purpose. It's not going to happen overnight, and it's not going to happen unless you take charge of your thoughts and your feelings and do it on purpose. I will link to some subliminals to help you in this video that I've made. They're free to use, and you can use other people's too. But choose, if you're working on abundance or prosperity, choose to refocus your subconscious mind. Experts say we have 65 to 70,000 thoughts a day subconsciously, and most of them are negative. We have to take a proactive steps towards changing that. We need to purposely put in our brains, subconsciously, turn them on low, put them on a loop, and keep listening to them in the background while we're doing whatever we are doing. I do it a lot. You don't have to do it a lot, but I want major changes in my life, so I am doing it quite often. And you can do it while you're sleeping. Put them on low and just let them play as you sleep. And change what you're thinking, change what you're saying. Use those affirmations and watch what's changing in your life. Just keep at it. Don't give up. And, you are so loved by God, by the universe, by Jesus, by the angels. You've got so much support. We might as well use it to our advantage. So, next time you feel overwhelmed or you're wanting to manifest something in your life, say, Dear universe, I set my intent to receive abundance, prosperity, money, whatever it is, set your intent and focus on that you already have it and the feeling of already having it. With that, I say God bless you. Have an amazing day, and may all your manifestations come true. I'll talk to you later. Bye for now.